Dear student, the problem is based on a hexagonal prism. Okay, the hexagonal prism of base side is 35 mm. Okay, and height is 70 mm. Rest with one of its rectangular face on the HP with the axis parallel to VP. Draw its top and front view. Okay, so this problem is based on a hexagonal prism. So this question is asked in the year November December 2017. Okay, it carries 10 marks. So this is the already drawn the line XY line. Okay, so written VP by HP. Okay, so this is already I drawn this top view of the hexagonal prism. Here I am going to show the simple procedure to draw the line. So this is the 30 mm distance. Okay, so this 30 mm distance from this point, draw the line at an angle 60 degree. Okay, similarly from this point to draw the line at an angle 60 degree. From this point to this is at a distance of 35 mm. So that here to here is 35 mm, and similar to here 35 mm, and draw the horizontal line from this point and similarly here also. Okay, so with the help of this divider, okay, take the distance from here to here. Okay, mark the point on this horizontal line, and similarly same distance here also taken. Okay, mark the same point. That means from here to this point is 35 mm, and here to here 35 mm, and here also here 35 mm. So join the line. So this is the top view of the pentagonal prism. So this is the procedure I drawn here. Okay, so let us, I am going to mark a point. Okay, so this is the A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. So in bracket whatever I written, all those are invisible point. So this is F dash. Okay, so here I am going to make it center point. So this is the center point. Okay, so draw the vertical line to meet the XY line from each corner. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, and A is visible when the front view is in the front view condition. So A is a visible point, so that should be written A1 dash. FE invisible point, that is should be written F1 dash. B1 dash is visible point, E1 dash is invisible point, C1 dash is visible point, and D1 dash is invisible point, should be written in bracket. So This is the axis. So axis height is 70 mm. Okay. So this is the 70 mm. Here also the 70 mm, and from this point draw the 70 mm and draw the horizontal to meet all the points. Okay, and this is A dash, F dash in bracket, it is invisible point, B dash and E dash, C dash and in bracket D dash. So this is the top view of the face of the pentagonal prism. So in this problem, what is the condition is given? Rest with one of its rectangular face is on HP. So this is the rectangular face. Okay, so this is the base edge of the hexagonal prism. Okay, it contains a rectangular face. So this rectangular face will be rest on the HP. What is the distance from C to C is 70 mm. Okay, here I am going to mark the distance. So this is the 70 mm and this side is okay, this is a 35, right? The 70 mm distance will be rest on the HP. So this 70 mm distance is nothing but rectangular face. Okay, so from here to here mark it. So this 70 mm distance will be tilt on the rest on the HP rectangular face. So here from here to here, what is the distance? The exact distance from here to here is 62. Okay, so height of this is it should be perpendicular to the XY line. Okay, and from C to B, what is the distance? Exactly 3.1. So this is the 6.2, half of it 6.2 is 3.1. Okay, so this is the center point. Okay, so this bottom face is nothing but this side. So A1 dash, F1 dash, B1 dash, E1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash in bracket, A1 dash, A dash, F dash in bracket, B dash, E dash in bracket, C dash, D dash in bracket. So draw the vertical line from the front view of a second stage. Okay, and similarly draw the horizontal line from each corner of the top view of a first stage of a hexagonal prism. right? In the top view, F is visible point, F to F, all are in the same line. Okay, so this is the E, and this is the F, and in bracket D, and A is visible but C is invisible, and similarly it is B. That means A to A is visible but C is invisible. So this is the point C and this point C. So it is invisible point in the top view. Okay. Similarly, I drawn here. Okay. So this is the E dash. Okay. F dash in bracket D dash, and it is A dash in bracket C dash, and similarly B dash. So all the lines are visible in the top view, but the line C to C dash is invisible, and A to A are visible line, but the dashed line and dotted lines are in the same line. So it should be draw the line dark line. Okay. So this is the hexagonal prism of front view of first stage, front view of second stage, top view of first stage, and it is top view of second stage. So this is the second stage type of hexagonal prism. Thank you.